England on Saturday joined a string of countries ordering a second lockdown. The UK just surpassed 1 million COVID-19 infections and is seeing more than 20,000 new cases per day on average.
The virus is spreading even faster than the reasonable worst-case scenario of our scientific advisors, whose models, as you've just seen, now suggest that unless we act, we could see deaths in this country running at several thousand a day, a peak of mortality, alas, bigger than the one we saw in April.
The measures come into effect on Thursday and are set to last until the beginning of December. People will only be allowed to go out for specific reasons such as education, work, exercise, shopping for essentials or caring for the vulnerable. Bars and restaurants will shut except for takeaway or delivery services. English residents largely accepted the move, some saying it came too late.
It's very rushed and we're just going in it for the sake of it when we should have done it prior to this, to where we are now.
Yeah, it was bad enough, back in March, so I think at the end of the day we're just going to have to do it, because otherwise Christmas is just going to be a complete write-off, I think.
Johnson had hoped regional restrictions imposed earlier in October would be enough to slow the spread of the virus. But scientific advisors predict that on the current path, demand for hospital beds will exceed capacity by the beginning of December. The Prime Minister admitted the lockdown would be another blow to businesses and promised to extend the government's furlough scheme until the end of November.